Welcome back. In this video I will guide you how to draw rectangular prism in Word. So for this you need to click on the insert, click on the shapes and pick the rectangular, and now draw the rectangular on the Word canvas. Go to the shape format, click on the shape fill, click on the no fill, click on the shape outline, go to the weight and select the 3pt. Now this time again go to the insert, click on the shapes, and this time pick the simple line. Draw a line over here like this one. Go to the shape format, click on the shape outline, click on the weight and make it 3pt. Click on this and this line, go to the shape outline and select the color of your choice, for example blue one, and now select this one, make a duplicate copy, Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy, drag it and place it over here. Again select it and make a duplicate copy and place it and drag it like this one. Again select the line and make another duplicate copy by pressing Ctrl D and place it over here. Make another duplicate copy by pressing Ctrl D and rotate it and join the corner like this one. And now again make a duplicate copy of this line, select it, place over here, go to the shape format, click on the shape outline, go to the dashes and make it dashes. Another Ctrl D to make a duplicate copy, rotate it like this one. Select it, make another duplicate copy and now rotate it and join the corners. So like this one. So this is pretty simple and easy. I hope you understand how you can draw a rectangular prism in Word. If you think this video is helpful, please support my channel. Thanks for watching.